Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this B7 RS4 in for a BILSTEIN B14 suspension upgrade. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also a notification bell, then you won't miss any of our new videos go live. So yeah, installing the BILSTEIN B14 suspension on this car. Obviously these cars are notorious for the leaky DRC suspension, like the hydraulic suspension. So this particular customer has got leaky suspension, went to Audi, got a quote for around £6,500 before he even got to the bottom of the parts list to repair the vehicle, and he sort of said no, can't be doing with that. So spoke to us. We can do the BILSTEIN B14 upgrade. So it's a coilover kit that replaces the factory spring and damper system, or the factory spring and hydraulic suspension, with a like conventional like damper and spring. So yeah, going to get the car in the workshop, get up and rounds, get the standard suspension removed, show you the standard leaky suspension, and then walk you through the BILSTEIN upgrade as well. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we've got the B7 RS4 on the ramps behind us. We've started to remove the front suspension, replaced one of the units already, and we've got the BILSTEIN coilovers out here in front of us. A little bit later on in the video, we're going to show you how the rear dampers have failed on this vehicle, and obviously what that looks like, what sort of issues you have. But for now, we're just going to talk you through the B14s. So these are their coilover. So what you have is you have the spring and the damper, and then you have the spring which is adjustable on the spring perch, so you can basically adjust the ride height of the vehicle to what you like. Obviously these are a little bit more of an economic upgrade compared to renewing the factory dampers. Obviously being a less complicated system, it's a little bit cheaper, but obviously this BILSTEIN B14 suspension, like Nürburgring tested, really good solid upgrade for these cars when you upgrade away from the DRC. So yeah, going to get this fitted to the vehicle and then show you the standard suspension, how it's failed, a little bit later on. Okay, so we've got the rear leaky dampers off of the vehicle, and we've got it out here in front of us. So as you can see, obviously it's corroded quite badly. What basically happens is the hydraulic fluid basically starts to leak out the top and then down the damper, and as you can see, it started to corrode all around here. Obviously it's unsafe to have leaky dampers, and also depending on the severity of it as well, can also obviously render your vehicle not legal to drive on the roads. Being that it might not necessarily pass an MOT. So yeah, we're going to get these leaking faulty dampers replaced with BILSTEIN units. So these units much more reliable than the factory items, and also a lot more cost effective and more focused towards sort of like fast road and track use as well, and then you get your added benefit of the ride height adjustment as well. So yeah, going to wrap up this install, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription, and then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.